hi.
It's me, Sachin.
Hi Sachin, thank you.
Hi,
Thank you so
Sachin.
much.
Oh, okay.
AJK Sudesh awesome.
It's been quite long.
What? Yeah, it has been. We talked
Been
like
quite
a
a
year
long.
back, I guess, in Instagram. We talked a year back. And I talked
Yeah,
to your
yeah.
sister a year back too.
Yeah, I did.
Someone's waiting. Someone's
How's
waiting.
auntie uncle?
They got
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Why did you push her kid? You're so rude. She's pushing off her sister.
No?
You pushed your sister. I saw. There are people. I'm gonna introduce everyone so it's not hard for others.
Wait for everyone to come get introduced.
No, like I'll introduce one by one. If they switch on their video and if they talk, I will show. And
Why are you acting like teachers? Switch on your video and talk.
I didn't say switch on your video and talk. I said if they show their face, it'll be easier for me to introduce them to the others.
Ask to unmute. Ask.
I can ask him. to
Ask
unmute.
Akash. Ask Akash to unmute.
Okay, this guy is enough for roasting me in front of everyone. Hi, Prince. Okay, he's gonna take some time to reply.
Who is Aishu?
Aishwarya, the girl who came to our home.
One of my friends is joining. I think Karen and the others who are from Kochi might know who will join. If they join, they can.
Yeah. Oh, look, Andrea came from. When did the name change to Andrea Juice?
Hey,
I thought you were Aaron. Oh. Does your brother use that ID to attend his class or something? Yeah. No, Suresh, if there is, I can see. Is that Sheru auntie?
Neha!
Hi, auntie. Thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah.
So, had a great day today?
Yeah, I did. It was really nice.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Sudhir, how are you?
So they.
yeah, I'm fine, Auntie.
Now you are in which class?
Grade 6.
Great. It's all
He still looks like a small little kid, right?
big boy. I know. How was your ninth standard?
It's actually going
yeah.
good. It's going good, auntie. It's nice. I haven't been to school yet though, but it's
Still,
great.
it's CBSE, right?
Yeah, it's CBSE. Yeah.
Okay, have a nice time. Anyway, happy birthday.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, say hi to mom and dad, okay? Hi, auntie.
Hi.
Meh.
Who is that, Neha?
Who's that
Hi, Auntie.
top chat? Even I
Someone
didn't
said hi,
see it. If I see or no. Who's that hi auntie?
Huh. Start.
You just did it. Someone like hold it up for me or something.
Shall I hold it?
Yeah. Wait, yeah.
Akash is talking. Very nice.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah. I'm not 3-year-old. The cake is too small because there's only 4 of us. So we only stuck 3 candles. I'm not 3, I'm 15. I'm 15 today. Okay. I'll blow.
No. They have to sing.
I'll blow.
No. They have to sing.
I'll blow.
Happy birthday
Yeah.
to you today.
Happy birthday to you.
Which letter do you want me to
Happy
cut?
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You want this?
No.
Then? Okay, fine. You cut it and then just give it to me. Cut it.
God bless you.
Music. Sudesh.
She called the cake juicy.
It is supposed to be
It's
juicy.
really tasty.
Very tasty.
I know, right? It's very tasty.
Yeah,
It's
not
not
that
that
you
you
know,
know,
right? Ah.
It's a guitar on the cake.
Oh, now she is drinking
Yeah,
water.
really, there's a
Oh,
guitar on the
I
cake.
feel bad for you, Karen.
There's a guitar on the cake.
There's not a literal guitar. on
Just
the
you sing a song for them.
Nice joke.
Oh, it's okay.
Come on, stand up, let's last the year. Wrote a little song we were never hear. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be kind. I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, but it'll be a different kind. And I'll be holding all the tickets, and you'll be holding all the fines. Come on, get up, what happened here? Circle on the hopes and life is here. Southern Lights, close no one's breath. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be kind. I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, but it'll be a different kind. And I'll be holding all the tickets, you'll be holding all the kind.
A gift from Zoom.
Happy birthday, Neha. I'm kind of busy right now. I'll log out.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Say
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, catch up
Thank
with
you,
once again.
thank you.
Dude, I think it's 40 minutes, so the meeting will end, right?
No, she has upgraded it to like.
No, if it's a scheduled meeting, then
Now he'll come and talk, but normally he won't.
Yeah.
Like,
Who?
Ekansh.
Akash, Akash joined with the name. Wait, what? Happy birthday, Neha Chakni. He joined with that name.
Hi.
Seriously. And then I'm like, my brother sent it to him. They're best friends. Where's Arav?
Arav didn't see the message.
Arav is the one who started calling me Neha Chutney. And then he saw Karen with me and he started calling her Karen Sambar. Remember? Karen. Yeah, she's doing that face thing. Yeah, she remembers.
The disadvantage of hanging out with you.
Why is Swaghat?
Yeah. People who make fun of me will make fun of you if you hang out with me. Yeah.
Tell Akash.
I miss hanging out.
Yeah, me too. The last time we hung out was like in February 15.
Okay, I'm doing a face reveal, guys.
Hey, stop it!
Akash, I really thought you were one of the people who are my age, you know. I thought you were like my classmate or something.
You
Because
told you to
sound
face
really
reveal
grown up.
at 1K subs,
You
but
sound-
now you're doing it.
You sound grown up.
But
You said
I'm like up, so this is age, okay?
no. Like,
You're like a few months older than him.
yeah, he's December.
I'm older than him.
Yeah, it's your birthday next month.
Yeah, 27. Right? Isn't it? 27.
Andrea, listen, Andrea JK. Not you, Andrea JK.
Yes.
See, I saw the video, okay, the one you guys spoke in that video, and I'm like, who is she? I didn't know it was you because you used to be so chubby and I couldn't, recognize you. You used to look like Karen, now you look like Andrea.
I'm really sad.
What? What?
My Our sister has come to watch us.
Oh, your tiny sister. Aww.
Yeah, I'll just show you. Wait.
And Riya, where's Sagi Chechi and Alan Chechi?
Say hello.
Hi.
Erisha? You remember this?
Erisha.
Hi, Erisha. Yeah, and I remember them.
Wait, I have to remove the bag. Hello. She's saying hello.
Alan Chechi sent a request on Instagram a few days back. I saw.
Going out there. So
She's saying hello.
Who's going outside and who said hello?
Okay.
You said face
That's my
reveal.
sister. She's saying hello to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, my face reveal. Look at me.
You said at Bonki's house.
Out to eat.
I don't have a green screen.
Oh, please.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, there's Akshata.
Okay,
You're out?
No, I'm not out. I'm in my home. I'm on. That's
No,
all.
I said you're out of the meeting.
No, I don't want to eat. She's offering me some things to eat.
We'll offer them a cake.
Hey, where are you going? You're going? Okay, bye.
Suresh is busy texting his friends.
Sudesh, ये line का करवाना तो
Akash, wait.
Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, they're
To
asking, he's
everybody.
asking for face reveals.
You say thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Okay,
Okay.
Then, hey,
Huh?
we came.
okay, we'll ask him to. Hey,
Hi, Akshata.
I can't go to his name.
Akash, Vishant wants you to do a face reveal.
So, Neha.
Oh, Sean was here. Sean, I didn't know you were here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Ask him. Ask him.
Yeah, I'm going out to eat, okay? So yeah, happy
Yeah,
birthday.
thank you.
His
Thank
voice
you.
sounds like Abraham.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what I was thinking.
Okay, bye.
I thought he was my classmate.
I thought
We all were in the
Abraham.
same class.
Neha, aka.
So they just sitting on this.
Your stupid dress that is
You're sitting
so
on it.
long.
Hi, Sean.
Shift.
Have you heard him talk like in his Nigerian accent? He has been doing it a lot these days.
What?
Since his Nigerian accent. I know you guys like the Madman.
Madman.
Dennis Rigwe.
Okay. Kind of a style.
I like it too, actually.
What are you doing, Sudesh?
He's texting people.
Are you going to screen share and show us?
Kanye. Happy birthday, Neha. I'm going. I have some work to do. Okay, Adesh. It's not a problem. Thank you. Fine, I'll unmute my audio but sorry, not video.
Imposter.
Yeah, Akash, it's
Imposter.
Where is imposter?
Neha's imposter. I'm crew.
Wait, I'm going to send an epic emoji, okay? You're going to see 1 minute. I don't know. It's not here.
There is one.
I thought you invited 20 people.
25. I sent the invitation to
28.
25 people. 26, I guess. I don't know.
There were 28 people.
What? There were 28.
I just sent something.
Looks like Minecraft bug.
It looks like a window.
No.
It looks like a window to me.
Window, it's a man wearing sunglasses.
It looks like a window to
Pay
me.
attention. What?
It looks like a window to me.
Wow.
Look at Nimisha. Nimisha, where are you? Kannur, Kochi, Delhi, where are you?
Hi.
Where?
Kannur.
Nice.
Kannur.
Where's Andrea? Andrea, are you in Kannur?
Lekha is there?
Yeah.
She
Karen
was
is
in
in Kochi.
Kannur.
Andrea,
Check
where
your
are
WhatsApp. Neha, check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp. Check it.
Okay.
you? Okay.
What? Not
Checking
fine.
my WhatsApp.
Lekha is calling you.
Happy birthday, Neha. You have, oh no. I lost these photos actually. I don't. Aww.
Come on, stop.
You have those egg photos of me. And the one from the drama fest. Your sister took.
Yeah.
Lakshmi's birthday. Us dancing at my home.
Yeah, like a madman.
And then
Just
you
like
the
the
white
one
towel.
who Danielson rode in his bike.
That's so sweet, Lekha. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lekha introduce Palla on the friends.
Lekha is my classmate and a really good friend from Coimbatore. Yeah. And Ekansh is Sudesh's classmate. They're best friends. He was Sudesh's classmate in Kochi.
He's in Pune now and he's coming to Bangalore next year.
Yeah. He is.
Right?
Then Vishant.
Yes, correct.
Vishant and Akash are our friends from Coimbatore. They lived in our apartment and they
Even Arya.
we were in the same school. And Arya too.
Arya is also there, huh?
Yeah, he's there. And Arya's in Bangalore right now.
He was in SSBM.
Then where you are? Where you are?
Look, I will read.
Vallaroda name solva.
Camping.
Okay, Ekansh, Visha, Arya,
But-
Aishwarya.
Yeah, I know.
Aishwarya.
Super dance adna. Nanna adna inga kuda dance. அடுத்தது?
Andrea.
Akash, Akshata, Andrea. இன்னொரு Andrea. அப்புறம் இன்னொரு Andrea. ரெண்டு Andrea வருமே.
Super.
Duraya, Fatima, I am dumb. அது யாரு?
Neha.
Kiran, Lakshmi, Lekha.
Lakshmi is there?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
Lakshmi, Lekha. Vishant, Suryadarshini.
Okay. 7:30 ங்கிறதுனால அவங்கலாம் ஜாயின் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது இல்லையா? 6:30 இருந்தா
வரேன்னு சொன்னான்.
Okay, fine. Ask her.
My hand is full.
Where is Natalia?
Natalia hasn't joined.
Okay. Chat பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கியா சுரேஷ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட? Okay.
யாரும் பேச மாட்டாங்க.
ஏதாவது perform பண்ணாத.
Neha.
Yeah.
Shawn Mendes' documentary released yesterday.
It did?
I don't know, like today or yesterday, I don't remember. Yeah, in Wonder.
Wonder.
It'll be wonderful if it released, like, yeah, if it released on your birthday, like today, I think today or yesterday. I don't remember well.
I'll Google it.
Nice.
Nice. Aishwarya தான் பேசுது.
Okay.
Wait, I think.
ஐஸ்வர்யா வந்து அவ பாட்டி அவான்னு சொல்லுவா.
இல்ல அது வந்து
நித்து. ஆத்தான்னு சொல்றது ஐஸ்வர்யா தான்.
நித்து அது.
ஓ, சரி.
ஏய் நித்துவோட ரிலேட்டிவ் தான் பூர்வா
வர்ஷா வரலையா?
வர்ஷா அம்சன் தான் வரல.
Okay.
Who are you? Oh no, Sudesh, that's rude.
Just asking who's that? Because you and that person have the same name.
Oh.
I am dumb.
Andrea, where are you? JK.
Yeah.
Where?
Hey, I think
Here
this guy
only, where? Here only.
I think this guy is Ram. I just saw this
No.
name Ram a minute ago.
No, I think it's Advait.
No, Sudesh. No, Sudesh.
No, Sudesh. friend is not talking at all. He's worrying.
Mr. Beast. Who's that guy?
Who's Mr. Beast?
Neha.
Yeah.
No, he's 40 million subscribers on YouTube.
No, there's a guy
Andrea,
called.
what?
There's a guy called Mr. Beast in there.
Yeah.
Andrea, what?
YouTube, you don't know, 42 million, I
I
guess.
know.
Oh, okay, no problem.
There's a guy called Mr. Beast in the meeting.
Thank you. Karen, the shirt you're wearing looks like one.
Yours.
Did you wear it on the tour day?
No, not that. That has like the V neck. The one I'm talking about is my mom's. My mom. No.
Why is no one showing their faces except these four?
The Karen, that one looks like it's round. I have one. It's actually my mom's, and I wear it. Yes, I have them. I think it's Adbek because he used to have the username. Because we are from what? Arya what?
So they
Vishant, you can't unmute someone. You can only ask them to unmute. I think.
Arya, nice joke.